Looks like another bad weather day, so just as this is an introduction to what we'll be working on remotely today, you'll be working at your own pace, online, asynchronous. First thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to create a free individual Adobe Express account. This is not a school or company account. You'll need to go to this link here, adobe.com/express, create a new account, and then it's going to ask you, is this individual or a school company account? This is individual. Make it an individual account. So set up your Adobe Express account. Once you have that set up, go to the Apple or Google app stores and download and install the mobile Adobe Express app to your phone. Log into your account on your phone once you have that set up. You now have an assignment to start using Adobe Express. If you scroll down to the bottom of the Moodle, you can see it right here, Adobe Express Part 1. This is the source for the assignment that I adapted. Choose in Adobe Express, you want to start a new project, choose a template for a YouTube thumbnail, and then change the text and colors, upload a photo of yourself with the background removed, create a second version of the same YouTube thumbnail, but this time with different font and colors, and create a third version with a different photo. Export these as PDF files and upload them here in the Dropbox for this assignment. The other assignment that we talked about last time that you need to be starting to work on is the Flow assignment, which is based on the chapter from Ed Davis's book on collards. That assignment is down here as well. If you click through to the assignment, here's the PDF right here that you need to read for Ed's chapter on collard greens. Read the attached PDF on collard greens, co-authored by Emory and Henry Professor Ed Davis in Adobe Express. You have to use Adobe Express. Create a poster or infographic about collard greens that has a specific, intended, and clear flow. This is an exercise in flow. You can focus on any aspect of the reading, but what you have to do is make conscious choices in your composition about how you are trying to guide the viewer through parts of the composition in a specific and particular order. So make sure you watch the video on flow so that you understand this concept. Export it as a PDF and turn it in the Dropbox here. Okay, what else do you have going on? So watch the video for the presentation on flow. I'm in the middle of recording and uploading the presentation on Elements of Composition 1, so that should be here soon. They're both pretty short. Watch those, make sure you understand the concepts, read the chapter on collards, get set up on Adobe Express, and then start working on those two assignments. Tuesday, we will have our team presentation on Adobe Express. I'll talk some more about elements of composition, and then you will have work time for these assignments.